Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit sent messages in Telegram. So, it's so simple I guess for every of you, and it's so easy, and every one of you can do that with just a few steps. So let's consider that you send a message to someone, and after that you send that message, you regret that you said something bad to that person, just as a consideration. And after that, you want to change that message to a good message, or better than that one you already sent it, and that one that you want to edit. So let's get through our app Telegram. All right, and let's choose just to set an example with some with the boat, and then let's type hi. All right, so that message that I just sent, I want to change it to hello. So I will just hold the tap on it, and then I will it shows us on the top there are four icons, so I just want you to tap on that one icon on the left. Alright, and here I will change it to hello. Alright, so it's edited and it's changed with just a few steps. It's not hard, it's so easy to be completed and to be done. Anyways guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.